In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data in ClickUp, enabling you to back up your ClickUp data with ease. To begin, you'll want to navigate to clickup.com and log into your account. If it's been a while since you last accessed your account, make sure you remember your login credentials to avoid any delays. Once you've logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find your profile icon. Give it a click. This will open a drop-down menu. Here, you'll choose Settings. As you move through these steps, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface so you know exactly where everything is for future reference. After clicking on Settings, locate Imports, My Exports. It's an essential tab where you can manage both the importing and exporting of your data. It might sound technical, but don't worry. We are here just for the export, the part where we take out what's ours and ensure it's safely backed up. Now you'll want to click on Export. This is a straightforward action, but it's crucial. It sets the ball rolling for the backup. Here, be attentive and make sure you're selecting Export and not any other option, so you're correctly directing the process towards backing up your important data. Next, you'll see a prompt asking you to select a location. Click on this prompt. You'll find it typically represented as a drop-down or a menu. Selecting a location might seem simple, but it's a key step, as it ensures you know where your data will end up after the export is complete. Now, choose the workspace you'd like to back up. If you have more than one workspace, pay attention to this part to ensure you're backing up the correct one. It's helpful to maintain an organized mind map of your workspaces and projects, keeping track of which data resides where. After you've made your selection, click on Start Export. This action is essentially telling ClickUp to pull together everything you've indicated for the backup. Depending on the amount of data, it might take a minute, so be patient. Once the export has been processed, you'll see an option to download export. Click on this to download your exported data to your device. Ensure you have ample storage space on your device beforehand, particularly if you've got a large amount of data. This backup will often come as a compressed file, so make sure you've got the right software to open it when needed. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully exported and backed up your data from ClickUp. Remember to carry out this process periodically to ensure all your information is always securely backed up and easy to retrieve whenever necessary. Thank you for watching, and if this guide was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.